Hello there. Well, today I have a book for you, and it's called My Christmas Treasury. And this is a collection of stories and poems and things of that nature. And it's a small collection, and it's from copyrighted back in 1976. But one of the stories in here was copyrighted all the way back to 1922, which is quite a ways away. I thought I would just do one of them, the little stories in here. And Christmas Around the World by Gail Wearsome. Christmas from Around the World. We're from Spain, and we set our shoes stuffed with hay for camels of the three kings. In the morning we find gifts in place of the hay. In England we go caroling from door to door. Then the Yule log is lit with a piece of the log from the year before. And over here, we live in a small town in Italy where we help make the presepio for our table at home. It's a small manger scene made with tiny statues grouped around the baby Jesus. Can you see this? In Norway, we tie sheaves of wheat on high poles. This is our special Christmas tree for the hungry birds. You can see them there. St. Nicholas rides through the streets of the Netherlands, distributing nuts and sweets to us. He returns at night to fill our wooden shoes with gifts. Do you have wooden shoes? In Poland, we place straw under the tablecloth in memory of the stable. We also leave a vacant chair for the Holy Child. Welcome to our celebration in Mexico. We're taking turns striking a hanging piñata with a stick. When it breaks, we all run for the candies that fall out. In Yugoslavia, we try and find the silver coin hidden inside the Christmas cake. The coins bring good luck to whoever finds it. I think some people did that in the United States of America too, but later they thought you might be able to choke on the coin, so maybe not put it there. We're from Denmark, and we believe that Julenissen, an elf, brings our presents. We always leave a bowl of rice pudding for him to eat. He is never seen except by the family cat. In the Philippines, we make colorful wreaths and chains out of tropical flowers. We wear them when we sing in the parade after church. Merry Christmas, everyone. And that's just some highlights of Around the World. Oh, and there's the poem from 1922 that you may like to read sometime. Oh, right. Well, that's it for now. Bye-bye.